Previously, we had looked at air replay as a way to attack wireless networks. There's actually another utility that we can use, or another program that we can use, where we can replay attacks against the network. Now, I'm going to show you a utility here called TCP Replay. And we'll just take a look at the help for it here. So we've got a way to take a packet capture, and you can see that it replays network traffic stored in PCAP files. So we take a PCAP file that we have acquired using Wireshark or TCP dump or some other packet capture program, and we can replay that against the network. So what I can do here is I can specify my output interface, and I can just dump packets back out onto the network. Now I've got some abilities to make changes though. I can specify the packets per second, meaning that I can indicate how fast I want this replay to happen. I can use top speed. I can do one at a time and then wait for user input. And of course, I can do number of packets to send for each time interval. So I could do packets per second, some number of packets per some interval. So I can do a lot of different things with my TCP replay here. And I've actually got some capture files that I can use. So let's just use TCP replay. And I'm going to specify equals, and we'll dump it back out onto the wireless network because that's where it came from. We're going to do top speed. So we're going to say -- top speed. And then I need to give it my PCAP file. So we'll say -- top speed. And then output -01.cap. And so we've done it at top speed. We have sent out, it looks like 793 packets, which is about 94,000 bytes, almost 95,000 bytes. And we sent all of that out in 1/100th of a second. So let's see what that looks like without top speed. And now we're just kind of using the timing inside the capture file itself. So we send a message out, and then based on the time in the capture file, meaning there is some specified amount of time for the timing of the original capture, we're going to use that timing instead of the top speed, which was just dump everything out onto the wire. This way, we're actually using the timing from the original capture and sending it out onto the interface that way. So we tried 793 packets, and we had 793 successful packets. So you can use TCP replay in order to play back specific PCAPs or capture files that you have from attacks that you have generated on your network or attacks that you have captured on your network, and you can replay them.